Hello everybody, my name is Mr.Edit, and welcome to Mari0. I'm here with the lovely Ronnicat.
Hi.
Please. Yes, hello. And now, as some of you may or may not know, this is Mario, but with portals. Yes, with portals. So, let's begin, shall we? As you can see, I have constructed myself a very tasteful ensemble, a serial killer mask, and that is the white Santa Claus. I mean, there's only...
Pink.
Yeah, she's Christmas pink. Mrs. Claus is a case of albinism, as you might notice. But it's all fine, it's all fine. So, let's begin.
I didn't want to make his suit white or red because I wanted it pink. So I
thought Christmas theme was red and green. I thought Christmas theme was red.
But Santa Claus's outfit is red and white.
Well, I guess. You could have put in like off-white, like cream or something.
Well, I couldn't change the hat color, but I did sort of change his skin color.
Alright.
So his skin color is
begin.
properly. Sort of. Hey!
Hello! Hey! Am I shorter?
I think the hat's just making you look taller.
Alright.
Oh,
so,
companion cube! Get a companion cube! Like, how do I get out of here?
It's not a companion cube. You've got portals. Think with portals, Ronnicat. How do I pick this up again?
Hang on. Move your damn portal.
It's E.
Oh, E's pick up. Okay.
Okay.
Let's go!
Yay! Oops. Hey, don't leave me. That's not a companion cube. That's a normal cube.
It's a companion cube.
Get that thing for me, please. Or I will stab you.
I can't shoot up there. Huh?
What are you doing, Ronnicat?
What am I doing?
And I was being creepy. What are you gonna do when you... Oh, okay. Just... Oh, smooth. Wait. Actually, a pro does it.
Move your...
Look at that shit. Oh, wait.
So where's the other cube?
I think we have to stand on it and shoot a portal.
Oh, hang on. Yeah. Okay, now drop one here. Drop one here. Now you go through.
Yeah. Yay! Oh, that was...
Yay!
See ya!
I didn't get the flag, so I don't get to go through.
Bye!
I'm still
here! This is a little creepy. Oh, damn it!
Okay.
Somebody get rid of her, please. Oh, wait, there's a... Oh, okay. I'll be the... Oh, that's...
I dare you to hit that. Jump.
Wait, how the fuck? Oh. Oh, okay. Wait, damn it! Huh? Yeah.
Oh,
wait.
Shit. I should have reset.
Yeah, I see how it is. Wait. Let me just... Aha!
Bitch can't get me. Okay.
Wow, smooth. Okay. You can get that thing.
You gotta get rid of your portal. Ah!
Oh wait, 1 second. And alright, sorry for technical difficulties, but now we are here. So,
get rid of your portal, there we go. Let's go.
La 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 la. I am the best.
Oh shit, I forgot about that.
I am the greatest.
Are we starting all over again?
It's fine. Just put a thing there.
Get your boss up there.
Wait, how do I... Oh.
Portal up there, portal down here.
Is this a 2-player pack or...
I don't know. Okay.
Oh, good one.
Shut up.
Okay.
Okay, don't jump on the red line.
I know, I did it on purpose. Wait.
Not what you wanted to do.
Yeah, there we go.
Well then, you can do that. Okay, now. Oh shit, I'm up there.
Yeah.
I didn't realize.
You can press E to... Okay, you got it. And just drop it on that thing. We should be alright.
It kinda didn't work how we wanted it to.
I think you can just... Wait, you can like... wait, okay, just jump up. I'll do this. And...
Okay.
Ah!
You can't... Oh, okay.
Haha! Suck it! Oh fuck. What the goddamn?
Look at me, I'm still
I'm
alive.
okay. I'm still alive.
How
So how the hell do we...
okay, I think you gotta get rid of the companion cube. I think.
Wait, no.
What are we doing?
Wait, how the fuck do we...
What's the companion cube covering?
The laser.
Yeah, but... I'll see the
Well,
doors!
Oh, okay, it needs the... Oh. Okay.
How do we do this?
So how do... do a speed jump?
How? There's no way to do it! Fucked up. Good on ya.
Oh,
Fucked up.
really? I didn't notice. Okay, just push it down there again. Wait, okay, wait, let me just... Shit. Shit!
I got an idea. Oh
Yeah, we
shit.
This needs some kind of finesse.
Okay. I've got an idea.
Ah! Can you... Okay.
Okay. Now. What am I doing?
Oh!
Move the companion cube over here. Right in front of the laser.
I see.
I know. Good job.
Wait,
exactly
let
what
me
I wanted
get
you to
over
do.
it. God damn it. Thanks, game. You fucking spawned me there again. Ah, Jesus! My life is a miasma. Oh.
Did we just lose
Oh,
the
good.
companion cube because I dropped it?
Oh my god!
the companion cube!
How does that work even? The flag was right there. Well, we're fucked. What
I
the
am now
fuck?
the companion cube. I don't know what happened there. I got turned into the companion cube.
Well then, oh, 7 deaths. Thanks. Not
Okay.
my fault. Somebody put that laser in my way.
Now get your ass up there.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So we get that.
So we could do the speed jump from here. Like if I'm controlling the portals and you're the one going through, you can speed jump over.
No.
Yeah.
No, we have to do some... I'll show you what we have to do.
Go on, you
just
do
give
it
me a
then.
second.
What do we have to do?
Let me just... Ah! Okay.
You're going to die once you
we-
drop it.
I'm not gonna drop it. Wait. So I need this. And then... No, it just come on this side. Get over here! Yeah, that's right. Alright,
What are
so
you doing?
we just need to... Let me just put this here. Okay.
Yeah, and how do you get that off there?
What?
How do you get that thing off there now?
Wait. Can you come up here?
Apparently not.
Oops.
How did you get up there?
You have to like short jump. Oh, okay. Haha!
I couldn't
Check
figure
that
out how to get up
shit.
there. I get
Oh
to go
no! Oh
in!
no! No! Don't
get
leave
to
me!
go
No! Ah! I'm gonna die! There's no oxygen. Wait, what's over here? What the fuck is this? There's like a hole in the wall.
Okay.
Glados, oh,
we
cool!
got
The bouncy
speed.
gel.
We got goo now.
Was this bouncy or speed?
No idea.
Yeah, it was speed. It was bouncy. Paint everything. Wait, how do I...
I can't get it there.
Wait. Oh, right, we need to,
What?
that's not working. Wait, stop, can you just take off your portals? Yeah. Alright, so what we need to do is put one here, and... Ha la la la! Oh,
You
shit.
didn't put it close enough. Oh shit. That didn't work.
Oh, la, la. Oh, jeez.
Hey!
Damn it.
win!
You don't win, it was my idea.
I win! Yeah, but
Just give me a
did
second.
it first.
Jesus. Oh, what the fuck?
It's not close
Wait.
enough to the side. No, yeah, there. No, you're in the wrong spot there.
No, but I keep going back inside the thing.
Just keep holding this way. This way button. The right button.
That way button. Oh, thanks. See, I miss it then.
Okay, well then just drop
Wait,
straight
why-
down and then hold it.
Ah, thank God.
See?
Alright. Oh, cool. So what's this?
Okay, we've got a laser bridge.
Oh, this will require perfect timing. Oh, okay. Not at all, I guess. Yeah, I win! See you in hell! See, there is a hole in the wall.
Yeah, but it doesn't go anywhere.
Oh, that sucks.
This is fun.
It is fun.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, so wait, what do we... What is anything? That's a death laser. That's
Clearly
my
that is a
ass.
death laser. How do we get up there? That's not a room.
Okay. This thing does this.
That opens that door.
Yeah. So we need to put that there. So how do we get that out?
Okay.
Wait, does this?
How do
No.
we get behind there?
Yeah. What?
We need the companion cube, but there's no way to get a portal to it.
Wait. Jump in.
Oh shit.
I think you need to get a bigger enemy.
Yeah, but there's a laser. Don't forget there's an actual death laser there.
Yeah. Ah!
Oh shit. God damn it.
Oh.
God, don't go through that blue light thingy because it'll reset your portals. Up there. See?
I know, but no, I mean I
Okay,
can't at all.
so you jump in.
Oops. Wait, I can't. Ah, here we go.
Not close.
Damn it!
You didn't move over far enough.
Wait, how am I supposed to get it even? Oh, okay.
That didn't work.
Oh, I get it. Okay. Wait.
Can you shoot a portal while you're flying? Or while you're jumping?
No, we need to... Okay, I guess it's easier because there are two people. So it's like... Check this out.
What are you doing?
Wait, check. It's easier because there are two people.
What are you doing?
Ah!
Hey!
Oh god! Help! Okay. Oh wait, but... it'll disintegrate if it comes here. No, no, don't! Stop! 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 Stop!
Oh shit.
I said stop so many times.
So how do we get it? Oh, that spot there!
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So if I do that, you can do the jumpy thing again because you seemed to be able to get it last time. Can you get out of there?
Yeah, okay.
So
Wait,
put
wait.
one portal. Don't put it there. Because we're not
Why?
going to get it to the button. Put it there. Shoot through
It'll
the
fly
blue
out.
laser wall.
It'll fly out. Okay, fine.
No, because we need it on that button. But we can't take it through this thing. Through the,
No, we need to do it in two steps. We can't like do it directly.
why can't
Wait,
we?
I'll show you. Because there's a thing here that... See this thing? It'll turn off my portals.
Can't you shoot through it though? Oh, you can't. Okay.
Oops. Okay, turn off your thing. Wait,
Can't do it, can you?
just
Oh, okay.
push it in there. Yeah!
Now cancel your portal before you drop in there. Okay. Come on.
Ah, la, 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 la. Okay.
Lever.
Can we press this button? Oh, we can.
Painting cube! How do we get over there?
This I suppose.
We've got...
What? What?
Why are there lasers here?
Wait.
I got it.
Oh, okay. I need to like...
Drop it onto my
Oh,
portal.
jeez. Okay.
Like, see where
Why is
my
my-
hovering thing is?
Yeah, okay.
Aim yours there. Yeah, okay. Now get rid of it. Oh, wrong button. That did not
You have
work.
to put the red... No, you have to put the red one.
Oh.
It's gonna work. Yeah! Oh,
Now we just
okay,
get through.
cool. Yeah. Ah. Okay, that's cool, I guess.
Yeah, that's fine.
What is the... Oh, white is more portal jelly.
Oh, yeah. Okay, so we need the...
Guess that worked.
Sure.
Okay. And then... Okay,
We want it
just-
on that other button, don't we?
I can just put one up there. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
No!
I win!
I guess I'll just stay in the corner of shameitude.
Yeah, your corner of shame.
Shameitude.
Oh. I don't think... Are we being entertaining here?
What?
I don't know if we're being entertaining.
We are entertaining.
Although that's bounce. Orange is
Aren't
okay.
we? Wait.
That didn't work.
Oh, no. The orange stuff should be on top. Yeah. There we go. And the blue stuff should be on the bottom.
Yeah, so you do the blue stuff.
Why can't I use your portals?
Hey! My portal
Why
is now
can't I use your
vanished.
portals?
Because I went through the blue line. I made it.
I made it better. Yeah! Awesome.
Hey! What now?
What the fuck?
How?
What in the shit even?
Oh, fuck.
Wait, stop. No, that's not it.
I'm jumping over the fucking. I did it!
Damn it! Oh, hello.
Hey!
No!
Again!
No! It's mine! It's mine! No!
I win again! I'm so portal
Okay.
smart.